Good morning, friends. So, this academic year, due to pandemic situation, our Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education uh, have reduced has reduced the syllabus 30%, and in this academic year, that is 2020 and 21, senior inter botany have these 70% syllabus, and now I'm explaining what is the syllabus which we have in this academic year. So here, first unit is the plant physiology. First unit is the plant physiology. So in which chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 2 up to they removed, and from chapter 3. So chapter 3 is the enzymes, and it is the 3, and 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. So these subtopics we have in enzyme chapter 3, whereas in chapter 4 whereas in chapter 4, that is the photosynthesis in higher plants. So here 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the chapter 4, that is photosynthesis in higher plants, uh, total we have 10 topics. Now chapter 5, so respiration in plants, in which, so this is the fifth chapter 5.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In these 7 topics are there in fifth chapter, that is respiration in plants. Now chapter 6, in chapter 6 only, that is the growth and development, and we have 6.4 only, plant growth regulators. So here once have should go to the back again. So here in plant physiology, 2 chapters are deleted, 2 chapters. So that is 1 and 2. Now 3, 4, so 3, 4, 5 and 6 chapters we have in first unit. So now let us go to that. So plant, what we can say, second unit, that is bacteria and viruses, completely they removed, and we are third unit we have. So third unit genetics, here chapter 9 only. So chapter 9, principles of inheritance and variations, 9.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, the chapters we have. And fourth unit molecular biology, and 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7 we have. And fifth unit biotechnology, we have completely 2 chapters, 11 and 12. So 11 and 12 chapters we have, that is biotechnology and principles and process. and chapter 12 biotechnology and its applications. Here all topics, so complete unit is present in this. Next, sixth unit. In sixth unit, plants, microbes, and human welfare. Chapter 14 only, microbes in human welfare. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the chapters we have in this academic year. Total, so complete, we have total 6 units. From 6 units, in second year botany, our board of Telangana uh, removed total 1 unit, that is microbiology, that is uh, viruses and bacteria, and completely removed. So here they given complete description what type of topics and pages are deleted in this senior inter botany, and when you take chapter number and name. So here chapter 1 transport in plants, chapter 2 mineral nutrition, chapter 6 plant growth and development, 7 chapter 7 bacteria, chapter 8 viruses, chapter 13 strategies for enhancement in food. So transport in plants, mineral nutrition are both two are in plant physiology, means first unit. Sixth chapter also it is present in first unit. So in first unit, um, these three first unit. So in first unit 3 chapters are removed. In first unit 3 chapters are removed. What are they means? Transport in plants, mineral nutrition, plant growth and development. Whereas second unit 7 and 8 chapters, second unit completely microbiology. Total in second unit 2 chapters are there, 7 and 8 both are removed. That is chapter 7 bacteria, chapter 8 viruses. And whereas last unit, that is sixth unit, in sixth unit they removed only one chapter, that is 13th chapter. It is the sixth unit. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 chapters in different units and units they removed. These are the textbook pages number, and you have to keep in your mind and go through that clearly in textbook. And English medium textbook page numbers and Telugu medium page number textbooks. So these you have to keep in your mind. This is the 30% deleted topics in senior inter botany.